I'm going to show you how to set up Rank Math SEO plugin for WordPress. So guys, before I begin, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you, so stay tuned. If you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand, so please consider subscribing. So let's begin. So currently right now I'm on my WordPress dashboard. I'm using Bluehost. Okay, this is one of the best web hosting. I have 70% discount, link is in the description. But let's get back. So first thing is you have to go in plugins, add new, and click on SEO. Just type SEO. It's the top, one of the top SEO plugins. I've done a review and tutorial for Yoast SEO and all-in-one SEO. Or check my YouTube channel. But then we are going to install Rank Math SEO. And also I'm going to tell you the benefits of the Rank Math SEO. So once you have installed, you need to click on activate. Once it's activated, it's going to take you to the setup wizard. So now if it's a free account, you need to create it, but I'm not going to create it right now. I'm just going to skip for now. You can just click on Start Wizard. If you have Yoast SEO, all-in-one SEO before, if you want to import the data, you can start importing, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to do skip, do an import now. You need to say what is it all about. So for me, it's a personal blog. You can upload your logo. If you have a logo, the minimum size and maximum size is this. The default social share image. So let's say you're sharing a post or an image, and that page doesn't have an image. This would be the default image. I would say skip the setup because I don't have the image right now. Guys, this is really important. Okay, this is how you could verify your site with Google. Just click over here. It's going to tell you sign in with your website. It says it's not verified, but I'm going to give you an easier way to do it. So just go on Google Search Console. For some reason it's giving me an error, but then this would happen with you as well. So I'm gonna give you a solution. Just directly go on Google Search Console, click Start Now. What you could do is add your website. You could just say test 1 2 3 4, continue. This is your domain name. You could say continue, and then the next thing what you could do is, as you could see this thing, the Google site verification. Copy this whole thing, copy it and paste it over here, and then you can just click authorize, and then this is going to authorize your website with and verify it with Google. Skip the step because I've already done my website. Just include sitemaps. Yes, everything. Yes, leave it as it is. And then the same thing, leave this as it is. Make sure to save and continue. Okay, I'm not doing it because it's just for demo purposes. If you want to auto enable, I would auto enable it, and that's it. And click on return to dashboard. You don't want to go to advanced options. I'm going to show it to you. And now once you're in your Rank Math, as you could see over here, you're on your dashboard. The best thing which I really like is the 404 monitor. Okay, this helps you record if there are any 404 pages, and it also has redirection. This is one important feature I really love. Let's say you delete a page or you delete a post, or some users are going to some page where it's not, something which is not loading. It will show it to you, and then you could just redirect them to your home page. Sorry. So guys, it's really easy. You just have to activate that, and then just click on, that's it. Then just click on dashboard again. General setting. Let's go back on general setting. Strip category off. So basically, if you want to remove, if you have a category on your page, on your WordPress website, if you want to remove it, you could remove it, but I would suggest just keep it off, just because for SEO purposes, if the keywords in your category, it will help Google know that your website is all about that keyword. Webmaster Tool, we have put the Google search console ID over here. You have to put over here and save it. Leave this as it is. And this is what I was talking about, 404 monitor and redirection. So you could just monitor any 404s over here, it will get recorded. And also if you want to redirect any page of your website, so let's say you go on 404 monitor and you see there's an error where people cannot go to that page, or they're getting a 404 error, then you could just redirect that page to your home page over here. This you could add your source URL and then just put your home page and just add redirection. It's really easy. Title, so it's a lot to explain, but then I'm just gonna go through each and everything if it's not gonna take your time. Links, leave this as it is. Image, leave this as it is. Breadcrumbs, enable breadcrumbs, no, don't. I would suggest just keep it off. Webmaster Tool, make sure you put your Google search console ID and all the other ones, but the Google one is really important. Leave this as it is. Leave this as it is. Others, leave this as it is. 404 monitor, I've explained you. Google search console, again, let me go back and see if it's working for me. No, it's not, so you just have to put the code over here and that's it. Go on titles and meta. Leave this as it is. Local SEO, you can type your name of the company, your URL, your logo. Social, meta, your Facebook page, your Facebook, just add your Facebook page, your Twitter profile, URL. I don't think so, no one uses Yelp over here, but if you're from the US, you can put that. Reddit, Instagram page, YouTube page, just your normal social media. This is really important, guys. Make sure this is your homepage meta description. So if I open my website, it's just a demo website, but then as you could see over here, it says Divi test. Okay, so just you need to write your meta description, your homepage title, your Facebook homepage title, post formats, leave this as it is. If you are the only author, you can write your description over here. I'm going to show you how you could write a post, but leave everything as it is. And also sitemap settings. So this is your sitemap. So it's loading. Yeah, so this is your sitemap. So what you have to do with your sitemap is copy the whole thing. Go to Google Search Console, back. So once you are verified, you go to Google Search Console, click on sitemaps, submit your URL. So this is my sitemap, this is my website name, and then just copy sitemap_index and paste it over here and click submit, and after a while it's gonna say success. So this is how you verify your website with Google. And now let's get back to the post. Let's say your keyword is about WordPress tips and secrets. Okay, so you're targeting the keyword WordPress tips. Come back to Yoast SEO. Your focused keyword should be WordPress tips. Okay, if this is the most important post of your website, you could just say this post is a pillar content. You can use the default one. So let's say I'm just gonna say, just writing like this. Okay, so this is your data, just blah blah blah. You're writing your content. Okay, then close the editor. This is, so over here you need to write your focus keyword. The next thing what you could do is your meta description. So meta description is what you can, so example tips. I'm just going to show you an example for meta description. Meta description is this thing. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it right now. So I'll just write down the meta description. Make sure your focus keyword is over here. So I think so it's over here, and just save and publish your post. So make sure everything should be green. So make sure everything should be green, and then it's well to do. And also one more tip, okay guys, we always, whenever we write a post, we always try to optimize as per all these things, but the content should be valuable. It should provide value, because ultimately the more the person stays on your post, the more Google ranks it higher. So just keep that in mind. And I think so that's all about it. If you have any questions about some certain settings, because there's a lot to go to, just let me know in the comments. I'm gonna make a video again. And thanks for watching. And as a bonus, guys, I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. If you already have a WordPress website, it's fine. You need to watch this again, because I go step by step the important settings for SEO, for Google ranking, and I've taken security measures where no one can hack your website. Your website would be much faster. So make sure go and check it out. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.